Guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. I've never done a video on pool pumps and pool heaters. We got a call to come in and wire this up. These are Pentair heaters. I'm not sure what the BTUs on them are, but they're 240 volt rated or 120. You have a connector in there that changes it, so we just changed it to a 120. We bonded our CSST pipe right here. It's gas pipe, and we have disconnects installed per unit as we need it. Labeled everything. Each of these actually had to be bonded, though they're plastic, which is interesting. They bonded through because there's grounds through them, and then over and down, and then each motor bonded down below that we did. Connected it there to the UFER that was already in the ground for all of the grounding of the pool. And as far as the disconnects down there for the motors, we didn't really need it because this is within sight, less than 50 foot. So that's totally usable. We did put one over here on circuit 4.6, just a single pole double throw 240 volt switch, 20 amp rated. These motors run about 9 amps, they're 2 horsepower. And then we had to label everything to figure out where it went. This took about 2 days, about 16 hours to trace, figure out what was what, clean it up, label, and then implement the wiring. We did use a JSOW extra hard duty, thick, wet rated cord to wire up the pumps. Normally I would do that in some kind of steel tight flex or car flex, but the customer already bought some of the boxes and the cord, so we just kind of used it. Shouldn't have any issue though. Nobody will be in this room. This room is locked out all the time. Yeah, so kind of nice. This does the spa heater. This is the spa jets, so that's the circulation, and then the heater, and then right here's the pool circulation right here in the center. And then each of these heaters, one is for the spa, 2 are for the pool. Really nice to get on a job like this. And then the controls are controlled really from one circuit, and they all turn on. So really enjoyed doing this job. It's kind of a neat one. But anyways, we do this kind of hookups, if you will, and if you need something, give me a call.